What's up guys, so Huawei is baking its next cake for you guys already. The P40 family was just announced recently, and as you guys know, Huawei has one more big flagship of this year planned out. Yes, I'm talking about the Mate 40 Pro. It might be the most powerful Android phone by the end of the year by packing a 5nm chip for the first time. On top of that, it's gonna have a pretty unique design feature. So you guys have seen the design of the Huawei Mate 30. It has the circular camera. Along with that, there is a ring. The ring was just a design element, but with the Mate 40, it could actually be a pretty game changer thing. So out comes the Huawei design patent via Let's Go Digital. We have seen this in the past that a lot of these patents have a highlight of a future Huawei flagship phone. So this could actually be that for the Mate 40. So around the circular camera lens, we have something called display ring. This is a fully touch functional display ring that will give you a number of features such as controlling your volume, zooming in and out with the camera, flip pages when you're browsing or reading a book. Other than these touch functions, my favorite of them all is how it's going to display certain things. So if you look at the alarm, we have this kind of animation. You get your text message notification as well. Same thing with calling and of course seeing the clock on the back. I think it's going to look pretty good on the phone, especially when it's going to be glowing with different colors. This is kind of like Apple if they put a glowing logo on the back of the iPhone, but of course with a lot more features. So it's nice to see these new features. I mean, they might not be super exciting, but still they're gonna add something to the table. You're getting more features for all the money that you're gonna pay. Now there's an interesting news coming from Google, which is kind of similar to what Huawei is doing in a different way. With Android 11, Google is actually testing double tap gestures on the back of the phone to take screenshots. We have actually seen this demonstration in a short video. You can set this to any function like launching the camera or turning on the flashlight or opening a certain application. I feel like in a way it is similar to Huawei, but since Huawei Mate 40 won't be rocking the active edge squeeze kind of feature, the second option is to have a cool glowing multifunctional ring. Now, as always, every year Huawei brings the new chipset with its Mate family, and this time we're gonna see the Kirin 1000 chip. It's a big number when it comes to Kirin processors. We're reaching 1000 number, and what better way to kick things off by using a 5nm process. Just like Apple, Huawei is expected to be the first Android manufacturer to bring a 5nm processor. It quite possibly edge out Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 as well as easily edging out the Exynos 990. It's gonna be a lot more power efficient compared to a traditional 7nm chip, and of course with a much efficient 5G modem. So Mate 40 is definitely one of the phones that I'm looking forward to this year, and in case you're wondering, Huawei will probably never gonna get that Google access back again. Their app gallery is improving, they have more developers than ever, and by the time Mate 40 comes out, things will be even better. So yeah, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, what you think about this unique, unusual design feature that could possibly end up on the Huawei Mate 40 phone. Drop your comments and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.